Today I'm going to show you how to take your old worn out edger blade and swap it out for a fresh one. So let's head over to the workbench and let's get started. Okay, so if you're wondering how to tell when it's time to replace your edger blade, well, it's quite simple. Most blades will have a type of marker on them. So in our case, we have these two circles here at the end, similar to a wear bar on your tires. As you wear down your blade and you use it up, you'll eventually hit these guys, and that is your indicator to replace them. So as you can see, I am maybe 1 or 2 uses away from fully puncturing this hole, so it's definitely time to replace it. All right, as far as what we need to get started, we need our replacement blade. So in this case, it's an 8-inch edger blade. This is the official Ryobi one, which I picked up from Home Depot. You can also use the generic Amazon ones, which I'll link in the link below if that's easier for you guys. You need a 13mm socket or a 13mm wrench will work. However, I do prefer the socket. It's just a little bit easier. And then a set of locking pliers to hold the blade in place, which I'll show you how to do. Okay, so to get started, go ahead and take your locking pliers and attach them to the blade. What this will do is as the blade rotates, as you're removing the nut here, it'll hit the shroud, preventing it from spinning. It's a lot better than trying to hold onto this blade because depending how tight this is, you're gonna have a hard time with that. Go ahead and take your socket and put it onto the tightening position because these are reverse threaded, so you're gonna be going the opposite direction. So we're gonna be going from right to left, like so. Just keep doing that until the nut comes off. So take your locking nut, and you should have a small flange that just comes right off, and you take your old blade. Take your new blade, just pop it right into the slot here. It should pop right into place. Take your flange again, put it on top, and your locking nut. And as I said, it's reverse threaded, so it's opposite of what you think it would be. Same deal, take your locking pliers, put them on your blade, and take your wrench, and we're gonna go the opposite direction now. As you can see, it is trying to spin, so once that catches, the channel locks will help you with that. You can grab the blade here a little bit to help you, and then just tighten as far as you can. And there you go, you're all set. And that is the quick and easy way on how to replace your edger blade. As always, if you like the content, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you around for the next one.